Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So on this video I'm going to be sharing about Tari Airdrop with us, right? This is a project that is so promising at the moment, right? So I got some update about the project and I felt I should share a video about it and show you how to get into it so that once it's launched you will not be left out. And I was told that it costs zero naira or $0 to actually perform it or do the necessary tasks, and also that it takes us 15 minutes to be able to perform the tasks, and TG is coming April 2025. And I also read that this Tari is actually a layer 1 protocol backed by Panteral Capital, right? And it was confirmed to be launching next month. So this is actually a very simple guide. So you need to do is just visit their site and get started. I'm going to be dropping my referral link on the description of this video. You can click and get access to it, or if you already have it or you just have your way around it, no problem. But if you use my referral link, that's going to be another advantage as well for me, but then it's not a must. So now let's go to uh, let's get started. Let's see how it's done, right? So once you visit the website, this is where to bring you to. So I'll click on login now and see the next instruction. Now the instruction is to connect my X account with or with other methods. So I'm going to use my X account, right? I'm going to click on connect with S account. Then I will prove that I am not a robot. After proving that I'm not a robot, and how do I prove that? I am going to be clicking a button here. Now let's wait for the button to load. Now if you could remember, I shared a similar drop like this, is it Kaito or so, that listed and many persons got allocation, and it was valued over 2 point something dollar per one at the time. Please don't joke with airdrops like this that will not require you to do so much or stress you, right? So I'll click on verify you are a human, then it will verify me, and you can see let's go. I'll click on let's go. Let's see where we are heading to. Why are you taking time? All right, so it's asking me to authorize my X to have access to this. So I'm going to click on authorize app. Then it will give them access to my Twitter. So it's redirecting back because it has successfully connected. All right, so now let's go. There are some tasks that we may need to complete. Let's wait and see. Uh, has it been connected? Let's try again and see. I think it has connected, but it's not really displaying yet. I don't know what's wrong. All right, you can see success return to. So I'm going to click that. You can see continue with X previously used. So I'm going to continue with this. Uh, that's what I'm going to continue. What's happening? Let's still prove that we are humans. And if you're having network issues or any challenge, you can just try as much as possible to maybe use a VPN so that you have your way around it. Let's go. can see it's already connected, right? It's already connected. So okay, it's still showing login. I may need to still log in. What is happening? Okay, I think in order not to keep us waiting, let me try it. Let me pause the video. All right, so we are in. You can see it's connected. So it was just network that was disturbing me. So what you need to do is just perform the task here, right? Perform the task. You can join this wait list here, right? Then go through it. Check under this quest section. You can see this one, complete and retweet. So this one we have to do with what? Retweeting. So if I click on retweet now, I'm going to earn about 500 of this, right? So now let's retweet and see. So I'll be doing this, and look at this one. Follow Tari on X. These are required to enter the game. These are other tags to be able to go into the game mainly. So these two tags, you need them to unlock some other tags. You can see these are other tags. So that's what we are going to be doing now. I'm going to see if this is going to work. Okay, network is still disturbing. So that is how you do, and you keep performing uh, orders to be able to accumulate as many as possible. Then also ensure to join that wait list I shared earlier. Then you can click on your referral link, right? Share my rank. You can share your rank or your score on X and so on. But then let's go to our profile. Let's see if we have a referral link to copy. We have a referral link here. You can copy it and share it to others so that others will be able to register through your account, and you will earn as okay. I just saw something like connect there. Okay, no. So let's click on this. Let's see what happens. Mm, I'm looking for where we can copy a referral link, but I've not seen it. So let's see. Okay. Okay, let's go to that tax and see. I think that tax will definitely have the referral link. Okay, so we are sharing to X right now. Okay, this is actually repost. This is a repost, not uh referral link stuff. This is a repost. I'm also going to follow them because it's the tax there, is a compulsory tax there. So let's go back and see if it's going to be refreshed. Okay, you can see referral link is here, but unlock the ability to earn more gems by inviting friends and complete. So to be able to get this, I must have to unlock by performing this other task here first. So let me verify this. Let me verify this. You can see quest completed. This one is completed because I've done it, right? It's completed. Let me verify this. Verification is in 2 minutes 53 seconds, so it's going to take 2 minutes 53 seconds for them to verify that one. So let me click on verify. Yeah, this one is completed already. That's completed already. Let's refresh and see what happens. So this is how you do it. Then you'll be able to what? Unlock most of these tags so that you can so that you'll be able to copy your referral. You can see it's currently locked because we've not performed most of the tasks, right? So guys, that is that. Ensure to get started. It won't take you so much to actually get started with this. Ensure to do this so that you'll be very positioned I'll be sharing more updates once I see any update about the listing or the claiming, just like I did for Kaito. Even though I didn't make any video about Kaito, but it was shared to my Telegram and WhatsApp community, and some persons did. And if you want to join my WhatsApp Telegram community, ensure to check the description of this video. I'm going to be dropping link to my Telegram or WhatsApp community so that you'll be able to access and get updates and also get assistance as much as possible. Right? If you find this video valuable, ensure to hit the like button, drop a comment. If you have started, let me know in the comment section, and hit the notification bell, also the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, so that once I drop more valuable videos, you'll be notified and you'll be able to get positioned and use them productively.